Sony Xperia L range continues to offer great value with an effortless style and a sophisticated look, which is super easy to use. We asked you on our Facebook and Instagram pages what you wanted to know about this device, and we've got all the answers for you. I'm just going to start unboxing the Xperia L4 that I've got here. So obviously at the top you've got the device itself. It does come with this plastic kind of case for a bit of extra protection. And then underneath you will find your manual and your little instruction booklet, along with your USB charging port and your Type-C USB cable. Unfortunately, this phone doesn't actually come with earphones, so if you do want those, you will have to purchase them separately. Obviously, we want to have a look at the phone in action, so we took it out and about to see what it has to offer. The Sony Xperia L4 has a 6.2-inch HD Plus display, which provides a cinematic aspect so you can fully enjoy your entertainment and really bring your videos and games to life. It can, however, only shoot up to 1080p, so unfortunately there is no 4K mode. Similarly to other Xperias, I personally struggle with the larger screen, but again, with the L4 they have included the one-handed mode, which is really handy and a great touch by Sony. The L4 is very lightweight at only 174 grams, and it comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which we have found to be really reliable, and it is separate from the lock button. This phone is slightly on the thicker side compared to some of Sony's other devices, such as the X Mark II, and it does have a plastic overall body, but this isn't unusual considering its affordable price. Sony claims to have included video stabilisation, so we put this to the test and found that although it enhanced colours and lighting, the stabilisation wasn't as high quality as what we had hoped. However, the photos we took really did capture all the detail. The Sony Xperia L4 has a long-lasting, high-capacity 3580 mAh battery, which means it will last all day without needing to be recharged. This device is also perfect for multitasking as it has a multi-window option. This looks great on the 21:9 wide display screen, which is actually larger than last year's L3 model. With Corning Gorilla Glass, this phone is protected from everyday bumps and drops and is also dust-proof and water resistant. One aspect that may be considered a drawback of this phone is that the operating system is Android 9, even though Android 10 has been available for over a year. This means you may miss out on some of the newer features such as dark mode or adaptive battery settings, but this isn't a massive issue. So to summarise, this phone really is great value for money at only £145.18 excluding VAT, and it gives you all the necessary features needed in a smartphone. You can purchase yours now from Clove Technology using the link in our description. As always, thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.